That's right, I made some pontoons for the land boat, so that it's not actually only limited to land and is more of an airboat rather than a land boat. Okay, so we now have the pontoons on the boat. Haven't tested this, have no idea if it would work, so we're going to test it in the hot tub this time, instead of going all the way to the lake. We are also not going to use this lid, as if you saw the last one, you'll know that the boat kind of got a little waterlogged and broke the ESC. So to prevent that, we're going to put a whole bunch of tape on there for this test. So let's open this thing up and put some tape on there. What the heck? Oh, okay, it flew. Ooh. The pontoon's under. Okay, so that first test may have not actually gone as well as I had hoped. As it turned out, it was still kind of having the pontoons go under, and it was still kind of tipping forward a little. So I then went back to the drawing board and came up with the idea of changing the motor mount, lowering it a little bit, and putting it farther back. Unfortunately, that ended up causing me to use supports, but it was a good opportunity to try organic supports. They are actually surprisingly cool and very satisfying to actually print with. And time consumption didn't even come close. Whoa! Actually, for being supports, that's not that bad. Also, there's a spider right there. Just gonna point that out. It should be in front of the camera now. Hey, no, I know you see it too. When I tested that motor mount, it also wasn't working, but then it turned out if I just moved the weight to the back of the boat, it was totally fine and it wasn't causing it to like submerge or at higher speeds or anything. So it seems how everything is good. Let's go drive this around the lake. Whoa, get it. Okay, apparently she got it. Okay. Oh, that water's oddly warm. I think it's definitely safe to say that the RC airboat is officially an airboat and not a land boat like it was in the last episode. But before we call this one, here's a slideshow of my favorite shots with the airboat and a thing that afterwards is kind of funny, but when it happened wasn't quite as funny. So let's hit it. we need to get the boat. It's sinking. It's literally sinking. Oh, I just... It's totally sinking. Guys! No! Gosh, dang it, I did not want to get in, but it was gonna go plonkers. It was totally sinking. Now I'm totally stuck in here. Yeah, that was interesting. That thing is surprisingly deep. What the heck? Not just that, it's like very steep on the edges, so getting out of there was kind of a pain. Yeah, that's just wonderful. Oh. Well, hey, at least the boat seems to be good. Okay, we're good. Wow. Okay, that lake is officially evil. The good news is, luckily the boat is totally fine, no electronics are damaged, so that's always a win. As far as this boat, definitely going to fix and optimize it by making it more waterproof, adding an actual lid, and really just making the assembly process easier, but that will be in part 3. This one, we luckily got it to float. So now it's an actual airboat. Granted, it is still kind of slow, which is going to be one of the optimizations, which is by cutting this propeller, because that seems to be causing a lot of drag. But aside from that, this has actually been pretty fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be in a new location next time, actually at a cabin, and there should be some lakes. So that should be fun. Anyways, have a good day, and bye! Vroom, vroom. Vroom.